Hello, Dmitry here. Today, I wanted to talk to you about tripods. I have many, and I'm sure many of you have more than one tripod because we're all searching for that one ultimate tripod. Just like many of you have numerous camera bags. But there's this one type of a tripod that I've been looking for a while. See, in terms of carrying my photography gear, I prefer messenger type bags to backpack. The reason for that is there's several reasons, but one of them is safety. You know, when you carry a backpack, you don't know who's behind you. You don't know who's going through your backpack. With a messenger type bag, I hold it with my hand, and at least I feel that I'm more in control of it, and it doesn't scream camera gear. So I prefer to travel with messenger type bag. Finally, with the backpacks, you know, when your tripods, most of the time they're large and you touch them outside, and I tend to bang my tripod then in that kind of scenario, and then I lose parts of tripods, and then, you know, I destroy them. So it's not an ideal way of carrying a tripod, at least for me. So I've been looking for the kind of a smaller but yet full-size tripod with that in mind, that I wanted to be able to put it inside my messenger size bag and still be able to open it and use it. And I found this tripod finally. It's a Zecti Travel Tripod. Costs $59 on Amazon. It's made out of aluminum, and when assembled, it is 141 centimeters high, which is known as 55 inches. So 141 centimeters plus the height of your camera. So with most cameras, it's going to be what, about 155 centimeters. So it's not a huge tripod. It's not that tall, but it's not a portable tabletop. It's a full-size tripod. The weight capacity on this is actually 8 kilos, which is a lot for this type of a tripod. The beauty of it, it's only 14 inches long. Like this, 14 inches long. What that means is I take the smallest one that I have is this Manfrotto bag, and I just place it in here, and on the top of my camera gear, and I close it, and nobody knows that I have a tripod in here, but I do. And my other messenger size bags are actually larger than this, like my Think Tank UB30 and others. This is the smallest one, and it fits there with no problems. So that's the only one I've been able to find that small, 14 inches long. I've found some that are 17, 18 inches, 20, 21 inches when fully disassembled. And that's too big. This is only 14 inches. And, you know, it extends like most of the normal tripods. It has those clasps, you know, and like a normal tripod. Can be made into monopod, but that's most of the modern tripods. So that's the beauty of this tripod. 14 inches only, fits into your messenger size bag, and that's the only one that I've been able to find that can do both. Has a normal Arca switch type connector here. If any of you know any other tripods that are like that are full size, yet they're 14 inches or shorter, let me know in your comments. Maybe I missed something, but in all my searches, that's it. That's the only one that I've been able to find that is unique enough and that it's small enough to be placed in your messenger size bag, yet it is a full-size tripod that you can place up to 8 kilos, which is a lot. And I think it's perfect for travel. I think it's perfect for every day. $59. Can't go wrong with this. That's all I wanted to tell you about tripods. I'm excited about this one. Dmitry, and if you have any questions, comment please, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.